Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video I'm showing you how to replace your engine cover bolts or beauty cover bolts, whichever one you want to go by. Part number is 14070. E as an elephant, A as an alpha, 20, A as an elephant. So all you're going to need is a 10 mil. So what we're going to do is remove these, the Allen bolts. Mine's not tightened, so I'm just using my fingers. Alright, so now we just lift up on the front. And then they right here. To get your 10 mils, let's take them off. And then we got our new ones. And I always like to hand tighten first. That way I can guarantee there's no cross threading before using the drill or ratchet. And if y'all follow the channel, you can see I got all this pretty much looking a whole lot better than when this car came here. It was nothing but rusted bolts and all that other stuff. So now we're gonna use the impact. I'm gonna just hit it one time. And that's it. Just put the beauty cover back on it up, and then push down. And then just put your bolts back in. And that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.